is completely finance related module. So it is this ERP is mostly used in different types of company, different types of countries. Also, they are using this SAP module. So it's very lengthy topic, and also it's very lengthy module, and it's very securely compared to other ERP. Market there are different types of ERPs available, like whatever you told me, QuickBooks and with other Tally and Salesforce, different types of financial related, different types of ERPs available in market. But compared to other ERP, SAP is one of the most useful and one of the most and best ERP in market. So later, one by one explain. So this is the basic things. So systems, application, and products and database is completely in SAP. So here, so simply ERP means nothing but enterprise resource planning. So under the whatever the organization, within the organization there are within the organizations, resource means not only a single organization, any organization, like any type of product, any type of manufacturing industries also. So resource means nothing but money, men, material, mission. So these four things are the resources. So here, why I'm explaining is, we are using this ERP. We can maximum utilize or optimize utilization. It means maximum utilization of manpower or money, material, mission without any wastage, and without any wastage, and without any wastage, and also we can save time also. So I'll explain. So you can see, if you can join any organization, if you can take any organization like manufacturing relevant organizations, service relevant organizations, whatever. So based on this, if the company using this SAP ERPs, so using with the SAP ERPs, we can we will benefit, we will get the benefits from different departments, like improved management decision making. So it means, so if you post any entries or anything in SAP, so in SAP it will provide the reports in different department wise, segregation wise, and valuation method wise, cost center wise, product wise, branch wise, business area wise. So whatever client requirement. So most of the clients are asking different types of requirements. They are asking their business reports, like branch wise, head company level wise, product wise, business area wise. So different types of, at the same time, manufacturing department also different types of layers is there. So later I'll explain one by one. So at the same time, improved financial management. So it means using with whenever we are getting the reports in each and every department. So whatever the client requirement, so then automatically client will be observe where the expenditure is going on more. So in this way, the client will be identify, analysis the each and every report. At the same time, improved customer service and retention. So customer services, in the way of customer service also, we can use the software. We can reduce the customer errors also. At the same time, faster, more accurate transactions. So it means, so if you in this SAP, so compared to banking sector also, so we are transferring multiple number of employee salaries within fraction of seconds using with the NEFT, RTGS, whatever. So at the same time here, APP also one of the option available in SAP. So it means we are using this APP based on APP after finishing each and every backend configuration for APP. So we can clear the multiple number of, it means thousands of vendor invoices. Vendor invoices will clear that single time. So at the same time, we can update the customer payments also in our system. So it means whenever using with APP means, when we run the APP system, then automatically the payment will deduct from our bank account, and also it will be debited. It will be debit from account, and also it will be credit to the customer vendor account. So this is the live. This is the live. This is the one of the most opportunity in SAP, and escape expiration, growth, and increase flexibility. So the and headcount detection means like a manpower. So we are using maximum utilization of in payroll department. So then automatically we can where the where the employees are do without less work. So in these situations, we can reduce the manpower also. At the same time, cycle time reduction. Cycle time means overall it means overall if the organization manufacturing the goods and services, it takes some time. So, but we are using this proper software. So based on the software, we can identify each and every level wise. We can reduce the cycle means period of manufacturing time. It will be reduced. At the same, improve inventory and asset management. Whatever the in within the organization inventory level, asset management level. So fewer physical resources and better logistics and increased revenue. So these are all the areas we covered in SAP using with ERP, SAP ERPs. Let's go to this is the basic things I already told. Leading ERP in market like SAP, Oracle Finance, JD Words, and Bevan, EP Core, PeopleSoft, Salesforce. So these are all now mostly Oracle and SAP and PeopleSoft, Salesforce are most of the business partners are using. But in that SAP is the most of the business partner they are using. And so this is the basic information like SAP introduction when SAP was introduced, SAP was introduced. So these are all things I'll share each and everything after close this section. So here SAP previously SAP is ECC version. So but later last 6 7 years onwards SAP new version also available. Now SAP HANA 2023. So this is the latest version. The SAP was introduced in 2023 only. But till some of the almost in market of 40 to 50% of business clients they are using ECC. But now the ECC will be closed, the SAP server officially announced in coming 2027-28, they will completely close the ECC server. So that purpose. So now, most of the new business claim now they are preferred as per HANA only. So are you understand, guys?
Yes, yeah.
So in SAP, mostly. Sorry, one second. So mostly in SAP, they are divided into two types of modules, like functional modules and technical modules. So technical modules means completely those who are completed the technical degree like BTech, MTech, whatever. They are mostly the type of people prefer the technical modules. So include this technical module completely coding relevant modules is there like ABAP. So something is there, but under the functional module, different types of functional module within the organization for the organization smooth running purpose. The SAP was defined different types of submodules under the functional modules. So functional modules means those who are completed finance related accounts related students and non-accounts student related students also now they can learn some basic accounts then and join this SAP FICO and they get the jobs and survey in the market. So but those who are the non-technical student mostly they could not survey in the technical side. So this is the modules, functional module and submodule. So here different types of modules like functional modules means. So now we are in FI module. So it completely FI and CO completely comes under the finance related. So FI means financial reporting. So completely what are the transactions we are posting in FI document level, and these documents will submit the external report. It means auditing purpose will submitting this FI auditing purpose will submit. So these are all documents completely entered in FI level. So CO means controlling. So under the within the organization, based on the based on the CO level, different types of configurations is there. Based on the CO controlling area, wise we can monitoring and controlling the different departments like whatever material management, sales, distribution, and human resources. So these are all the departments. It will be controlling and CO module. So simply the FICO, it will be it will be interlinked between the material management as like and sales department, HR. So these three departments, it will be interlinked between the FI model. Because of material management is the separate submodule. Sales and distribution is the separate submodule. So these are all comes under the functional modules, and HR department also comes under the one of the submodule. FICO is the one of the submodule. So now in previously ECC version we called as a FICO, but in S4 HANA we simply called as a S4 HANA Finance. So S4 HANA means the HANA Finance. So we call it as HANA Finance. So here we have a interlink between the both material sales and human resources submodule to the FICO. So whenever we are done the integration with material management, sales and distribution for these three within the organization and these three departments, we need to have integration with the FI model. So then only we can generate the reports. So simply I think actually, whatever if we done the if we purchase any goods and services, mostly we can post the document from FI level. But in this SAP software, material management is complete one department. They can buy the goods and services. If they buy goods and services, material management level also one end user post the document. So, but the document automatically reflected in the finance department. So, at the same time, sales department relevant people they post any document. It is also reflected to the finance department. At the same time, HR department people also they can post any relevant documents. Then automatically it will be reflect to the finance department. So, because of FICO is the most important submodule in the SAP ERPs. So coming to the later, I'll explain one by each and every department wise. Coming to the technical modules, so I already told these are those who are completed BTech people. Those are interested to like this ABAP, basic security, BW, BIP. There are different types of submodules under the SAP yeah, technical model. So simply technical model means these technical model people are design the screen, whatever the screen we need required based on the client requirements. That screen, the FI consultant will discuss with the technical ABAP team, and based on the whatever the requirement needed by the client level, that requirement screen will be beforely FI consultant define on image. Based on this image, the technical ABAP people will create the that screen based on the coding part. So this is a functional module and technical module. So, and if you after completion of your course and everything, we'll get a job. Then we'll go to work in different types of project. Simply here, I'll explain project. Project is a task of assignments, and in term of SAP, it's divided into four parts. Simply in SAP for in coming days, whatever you are joined in any other organization, whatever. So here implementation project and rolled out project and upgrade project and support project. So these are all four. These are all four projects. The companies will get the contract from the client level. So in the like like we can took any Mindtree, IBM, whatever the companies. These companies directly take a project from the client. So it means the like implementation project take its implementation project means it takes some 1 year or 2 year. This 2 year time they will provide each and everything implementation based on the client requirements. It's they will collect some charge like per year, once year, 2 year, something amount. The Mindtree the Mindtree company will collect it from the client level. So the Mindtree will recruit the people from outside, like those who are interested, those who are having good real-time experience or learn more knowledge. So this type of people, the Mindtree will recruited people, and the people who work with client level also will work with client too. So at the implementation is simply I'll explain. So the client started a one new organization. So one new organization. Before that, he could not. Before that, the client cannot use any other ERPs. So in this situation, the client directly started business and he wants to use the SAP. So in these situations, we will start a project. So this is comes under the implementation project. So it means each and every information under the implementation project we collect from we gather from the client level, gather from client, and based on the client requirement, we will design each and everything. Like whatever finance and different all sub-modules, functional module related, each and every department under the implementation project means we will define each and everything and start the project. So it's take mostly implementation projects comes under the maximum 1 to 3 years only. And support project means after implementation project done, the client agreement, agreement also completed. Again, the client provide your services. We are not happy, so we'll give this. I mean, we'll give this project to one more person. So in this situation, the new person will take the complete. The new person will take complete project handover. So this is comes under the support project. And rolled out project means already organization work. Simply scroll down. So implementation project. Here I just make an example. So I just take an example, Reliance company. So the Reliance company under the implementation project also we have two types of project too, like a greenfield implementation and brownfield implementation. Here greenfield implementation means like the Reliance company, whatever XYZ some company something, the Reliance company already doing the transactions already. The Reliance company having the business transactions. Before that, the Reliance company are using their business transactions in Tally ERP, but now they want to move in SAP. So in these situations, we are using greenfield implementation. So it means already the company, already the client, the organization are enrolled each and every transaction in department wise in SAP in Tally. So now we want to move using with the data migration, different types of data migration options is there. Using with the data migration options, now we will move the Tally to SAP server. So this is the implementation project. Greenfield implementation and brownfield implementation means. So just now I told the company started business till now, but started the business, but they could not, but they should not use any other ERP. First time they are entered directly to the SAP. So in these situations, we are using brownfield implementation. So are you understand, brothers?
No, like a greenfield and brownfield, you give me the same example, I guess. Like greenfield implementation project, it would be the like earlier there has another ERP, so now they
Yes,
want to
right,
switch
right.
into the SAP. That would be greenfield implementation. And what about the
Yes, yes,
brownfield
yes.
implementation?
So just now, brownfield means they started the business. Client was started the new business.
Hmm.
Uh, Till they did not use any ERP. So it means each and everything we need to create and upload we need to create
Okay,
new
okay,
one in SAP system.
okay. They
So
never
in
use this.
greenfield means we
They
have
already
some
use
data.
another ERP tool. Okay.
Yes. In greenfield means we have already some data, so the data will be move on using with different types of migration options to convert the SAP system.
Okay.
So and implementation project means just now I told a fresh first time installation in SAP in any organization called as implementation project. I just now explained. So under the implementation, the entire implementation project further the stages in 5 steps. So it means whatever the project to complete each and every information project relevant each and every information first we gather from the client. After that, we prepared complete information using with blueprints. Blueprints means in real time scenarios. Without blueprint, we cannot done any configuration. Blueprint means it is the approved document from the our company level authority. It means project manager and client level also approved document. Blueprints means. And realization means also after blueprint they can analyze the reports how we can implement the in SAP system. Before that they can analyze it. In final preparation. Then go live means we can start the uploading each and everything like a company creation. From company creation onwards, each and everything we will start. That is called as a go live support. It means. So this is comes under the implementation project.
So
So rolled out project.
will you show us like what are the things I have to do in implementation, like in the 5 stages?
So, okay, project preparation means so whatever the project, I mean, business nature. First,
No, like
we
for
can
example,
understand that.
will you show us any live example like which you have done? So we have to do like this on the basis
Okay,
because we
actually,
never know,
in my
that. So for now this market like there is no freshers or opportunities. So we have to give
yes,
like
yes,
6 7 years of
there is a
experience.
fresher opportunities is also there, but mostly they could not preferred.
Yeah. So we have to show them like 7 years, 6 years of experience.
Yes,
So when
yes.
that time what
And
we have
coming
done
is
like
each and everything. Also, I just explained basic. So each and
mm,
everything we covered in topic wise in coming sections.
okay.
So not an issue. Each and everything I explain clarity, and we'll done the live projects also. So that is
Mm,
not an issue.
okay.
So
Help.
then rollout project. Right?
Yeah, go ahead. I will ask the last time, like in the end of the
Okay,
session.
okay. And simply rollout project means if the company already using the SAP systems. So it means a group, you can simply group of company means under the group of company, the company started different types of business lines. So as per SAP terminology, group of company means top level company. Simply here, Reliance Industries is the top level company. So under the Reliance Industries, there are different types of business. So different types of business lines called as a company codes as per SAP terminology. So like Reliance Digital, Reliance Smarts, Reliance Petroleum, and Reliance Refurnish, Reliance Retail. So whatever different types of business lines is called as a company code. So here, Reliance Industries are already having Reliance Refineries. They are already using SAP system. So again, under the Reliance group of company, they are started one more company code like Reliance Digital. So in these situations, in this situation, the client told create one. So in these situations, the we'll take one project. So this is comes under the rollout project. It means so already the same company group of level we create the Reliance Refineries business company code. So and Reliance retail also almost of the company level information it will be same under the it will be same. So based on this Reliance Refineries company code complete data, we will transfer, we will copy and move on, create one more company code. So if we create one company code up to document posting level, it's take time, at least minimum 10 to 15 hours time. So, but using with rolled out project means once if you copy paste this already previous existing company, everything data, within 5 to 10 minutes, we'll paste one more company. We'll create one more company. So after that, creating one more company, we will edit what are the requirements, what are the requirements, what are the changes we need to change. So in these situations, we can use the rolled out project. So it means simply already one company code created and they can done the transaction, each and every transactions in SAP. But under the same group of company level, they are started one more business. So it means it is almost relevant to the first business also because of business partners, clients, and customers and local areas. So most of the scenarios, it will be both same. So in the situations using with rolled out project, we can transfer the data. Sorry, we can copy the data to create new one. So this is the rolled out project. This is also one of the topic. Later I'll explain. Later I'll explain. So are you getting some basic information about this rolled out project?
Yeah, I got it. Like the company has two different code of companies. One company is already using SAP, and another company they started newly. Then they wanna create on the SAP. So already, what are the information they has already created? So what are the information
Yes,
they're
yes,
going to transfer into a new company, like the name same segment of company.
yes, correct.
Yeah, I got it.
Same. So same, I think all company. If a company already implemented SAP one subsidiary and you want to set up the same for different subsidiary,
So,
is called as a rolled out project simply.
I got it.
So, and upgrade project. So here upgrade project means. So if the client, it means organization already using SAP. So simply SAP, an organization already using SAP ECC version.
Yep.
Now they want to move SAP S/4HANA new version. So not only ECC and S/4HANA, previously they are using ECC old version. Again they are changing the S/4HANA latest version. Sorry, ECC latest version. At the same time, some companies previously they are using S/4HANA 2021 version. Now SAP provides 2023 version also. So then again the company, the client wants the client requirements if you will move on new version. So in these situations, we are using upgrade version simply. So each and every project wise, I'll in coming classes I'll explain everything. So and upgrade project. So this is like and
Yeah.
support project. So support project. One second, you can just think record is going on, right? Okay.
Yeah. Recording is going on.
So shifting from one version of SAP to other version in update project is always shift from lower level version to higher level version, right? So and support project. Support project means simply. Uh, so I told first implementation project is done. Their agreement is completed within 2 or 3 years. After that, the client will move on the support project. Simply in support project means everything is done. Everything implementation, everything is done from previous project or previous company. Under the support project is simply everything is going on properly. Maybe sometimes it happened like any document posting times, any tax related, whatever, any issues it will be arise. In this situation, the end user will send the issue using there are different types of ticketing. Different types of ticketing tools are now market they are using like a service now whatever different types of tools is there using with tools. Tool is nothing but like whatever if you are using on Gmail, same way one option one tool is there. Using with the tool, the end user, whatever the error raised at the time of document posting, whatever, the end user send the ticket using with the ticketing tools, then automatically the ticket will receive at consultant level. So the ticket belongs to like a finance relevant ticket and material management, sales department, HR department, whatever different department wise tickets will be getting. So the concerned department people will receive the ticket and resolve and discuss with the TL and resolve the ticket within what the agreement type. So SLM is service level agreement. So service
Yeah.
level agreement means based on the service level agreement means based on the ticket priority wise, we need to clear the ticket within like some of the tickets we will clear within 1 day, 2 days. Some of the tickets will take will 1 week. So based on the service level agreement, we must and should clear the ticket. So in coming sections, if you are posting the document, if any ticket or any error issues, immediately I'll explain at the same time what the ticket, what the error it will be displayed. We can screenshot the ticket and save your own documents, and under that immediately I'll give explanation. So it means you must and should prepare at least minimum 50 to 60 ticket errors. Then automatically the same tickets will be rising if you join in a real time. Also, same tickets will be generated.
Okay.
So sample system landscape means here this is the real time scenario. So here development system, system, production system. So later I will explain. Development system means this is completely under the configurations level. It is completely under the configuration. So means whatever the consultant will do the work in the project.
Like a
Development means
sandbox or
so
sandbox testing and production.
Yes. Development testing, where whatever the configurations done by the consultants, after that
Mm.
the configurations will move on using with the tier transport request. Then automatically the configuration move in testing department. So testing means here quality assurance team they will recheck the information, whatever the document posting properly, each and everything they will check. After that again second time also they will test. After that then finally they will move the tier to production department. So whenever the tier on the production department, then automatically the production means the end user will use the screen. Simply production department means the end user will use the screen for the document posting and reporting generation purpose, whatever. So, are you understand regarding this?
Yeah, I got it. Like it's like a sandbox and testing and production, right? So
Yes,
when the
yes,
project,
yes.
yeah,
I think
I got
not
it.
only SAP, in other
Yeah,
modules
everywhere
also,
it
I
should
think
be like the same thing.
so. If you get the job in SAP FICO model, so these are all the different types of recruitments. Like end user. End user means nothing but document was nothing but accountant. So most of the scenarios, end users are working in location wise, like manufacturing departments, if they are using SAP. So most of the 80% of the end users are there. They need to stay at manufacturing location only, right? In manufacturing location, different types of document blocks is there. They can post it directly. Because of in location only, they have physical documents available. So these purpose, most of the end users are working in organization client well. So in huge transaction of companies like other foreign companies, if the end user join a job in foreign countries relevant countries, so the person will stay at the office locations only. Here you can use the poster document for the like n number of documents, so like 1,000, 10, or 100,000, more than 1,000, whatever the documents posting purpose. Uh, Document posting purpose also we are using different types of tools. So based on because of before that end user will create one Excel sheet. Based on this Excel sheet, each and every document will be correct. Then automatically the Excel sheet will be uploaded the SAP document. Then automatically a number of documents will be automatically posted. So this is the end user and tester also working here. Trainee means trainee also, I think mostly trainee means under the associate consultant level. After that, associate consultant and senior consultant, team lead. So team lead means complete finance department team lead. Other department level on team lead is there, and finance market sales and distribution level also on team lead, and HR department also on team lead is there. So finally, all the team leads after that one project manager is there. So one project manager completely handling the each and everything. So mostly SAPs are using SAP software are using maximum mostly minimum 500 plus of 500 plus cross transaction organizations only using this SAP because of they will switch on the SAP, so it's taking the project cost is almost it will be in crores of value. So implementation project values, it's take more than 5 to 10 crores also some situations. So because of based on this 10 crores only, they can distribute the each and every employee's salary and they can get the profit each and everything. That is the what payroll company will deal each and everything using with project manager level. So are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Uh, So and let's go to the concept. So actually, this month, first onwards, I started a new batch. So the new batch previously I already done 3 batches. So this is the fourth batch. So here you can see one by one. So these are all the topics. So basic configuration and general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, tax related withholding tax, asset accounting, financial statement versions, foreign currency evaluations, banking process integration. So real-time scenarios, system landscape, different types of projects. So real-time issues and interview-based questions, difference from ECS and S/4HANA and S/4HANA. So these are all I'll explain one by one. So here, we just think basic configuration means demo is on introduction of SAP, just we done. And basic configuration means so organization structure creation. So organization structure means we created a group of company under the company code, under that business areas, branches. So different types of organization structure we need to create. After that, global settings for company code level. Global settings means So if you want, if you global settings means we need to create the physical year variant. Like in Indian physical year variant is April to March. Like I think in US is January to December. Calendar in our Indian calendar is same as US financial year, right? Right.
Yeah.
So these are all the global settings level we can update here. And general ledger means general ledger is within the organization, like day-to-day relevant expenditure, whatever we are entering, we are updating the each and every transaction in this general ledger. Before that, we need to create a chart of accounts, GL master data. Chart of accounts means different types of chart of accounts, operative chart of accounts, group level chart of accounts, country level chart of accounts, and GL master data, GL creation. GL creation means general ledger creation. So the and GL transactions, regular expenditure relevant to each and every transactions we are using FB50. These are the general ledger documents. And document reversal means if we are using in other ERPs, we are having option to delete the documents. But here we don't have option to delete the document. We have only reversal option. At the same time, document parking, holding, and accrual document posting. So it means payables. So payable means already you have idea regarding the payables. This month relevant each and every payment will pay next month only. So by this month ending, with this month ending date, we will create one payable account. Each and every like rent payable, salaries payable, each and everything we will create a payable ledger. So based on the payable ledger only, the management will know the how much amount we need to pay for this month. So and this is the accounts payable. So accounts payable means completely. So accounts payable means in within the organization, will buy some goods and raw material, and will buy some services, whatever. Based on the service purpose, we need to pay amount to the vendor. So simply vendor means current liabilities. So whatever the goods and services we buy from the customer vendors. So regarding this bill amount, we need to pay the amount to the vendors. So completely accounts payables means under the current liabilities. Under the accounts payable, we need to do the some basic configuration. So I think accounts payable topic will take more than 4 to 5 hours. So each and every accounts payable and general ledger, each and every topic, it's take maximum 4 to 5 hours, 4 to 5 hours, 4 to 5 hours, and vendor master data, uh, and invoice parking posting, manual payment process, partial payment process. So here manual payment partial means if the vendor having if you want to pay amount to the vendor 10 lakhs, in that out of 10 lakhs we will pay partial amount and residual amounts and total amount. So different types of payment options also available. Down payment request, payment terms. Payment terms means when we'll buy the goods and services, that time we will made an agreement for the payment terms. So at the same time, account receivable also. Account receivable means after our company sold the goods and sold the goods and services to our customers. So it means it is completely to be collected amount. So all the customers comes under the current liabilities. Whatever the amount need to collect from the customers. So this amount will comes under the accounts receivable. So here also some basic configurations at the same at the, and taxes means if you want to sell the goods and services, or else if you if you purchase the goods and service raw material, each and everything, it is the product relevant tax procedure is there. That one also I'll explain. And withholding taxes. So withholding tax means direct tax and indirect tax, like salaries relevant taxes. And so these are all the different types of tax posting reports, assign vendor master. So tax holding means like customer or vendor relevant products also we need to assign the taxes. So and asset accounting means completely the company will buy the fixed assets, whatever asset asset purchasing, from asset purchasing onwards up to asset life period ending, and asset scrapping, asset internal transfer. It means one company code to another company code will transfer, will move the asset. So these are all situations comes under the asset account. So these are all also most important topics. So if you apply job for a real time 5 to 6 years experience, So the completely accounts payable and accounts receivable and taxes and asset accounting. So these are all the most important and integration part, FI to MM, FI to SD, FI to FI to HR, and these are also most important topics. And coming to the financial statement version. So you know the financial statement means at the time of financial statement means like profit and loss account, balance sheet. Compared to other ERPs like Tally also, if you post any document, then automatically the document will be reflected like based on the document nature, ledger nature, it will reflected on the P&L account or also balance sheet. But here
Yeah.
there is no financial balance sheet. There is no balance sheet and profit and loss account. Here, based on the client requirement, we only design the financial statements. So it means the client is asking from the only like sales relevant information you want to know in the top side. So in these situations, we will design. So completely financial statements means whatever the we created GLs, the GL will created under the GL group. So based on the GL group nature wise, we can create the financial statement screens and controlling. So controlling, I already told. Up to this one, financial statement FI is completed. From here onwards, controlling is started. Controlling is general controlling. So cost element accounting, cost center accounting, internal orders, profitability analysis, product costing. So these are all comes under the like material management, but it is interlinked between the CO level also because of FI as a CO consultant, he will be involved within the all departments and interact with the all department TLs also and and discuss with where the money is moving more and each and everything the CO people will discuss with the different department TLs and foreign currency evaluation. So foreign currency evaluation means so if we buy the goods and services from the foreign customers at the time of purchasing from foreign customer, the dollar value is like 50 rupees. And when we are ready to pay, like the bill payment time, the foreign currency value, it will be increased to 50 to 60 rupees. So in these situations, how it will be managed? It some based on the agreement. So the vendor as per agreement, vendor told whatever the currency dollar value increase or decrease, no need, but my dollar price based on my dollar price only you need to pay. So these are all based on the basic foreign currency evaluation comes under these topics. So open item management evaluation, open item management using with open item management we can check the complete how much vendor balances we need to pay, how much amount to be collected from the customer. So these are all comes under the open item evaluations. At the same time banking process, so here house banking creation means so our company has having different types of company code like Access, HDFC. So we need to create the bank accounts names and APP configurations. At the time starting time I told APP pro configurations, automatic payment program. So using with APP configuration we can clear the n number of multiple number of vendor invoice we can clear automatically. DME configurations and bank reconciliation, electronic bank statement process. DMA means like using the DMA configurations, uh, the amount will be debited from our bank accounts and directly credited to the vendor account. So this is the DMA configurations. And the integration part, I already told. Integration means FI to MM. So FI to MM integration, material management integration. There are the different types of configuration steps is there. So, but mostly FI to MM integration, complete configurations, no need to record at FI level. So, what is the interlink between FI and MI, FI and SD, FI and CO, FI and PP, FI and HE? HR. So these we must have the basic information. What are the transactions going on between the FI and ME, between the SI and D. So these basic information we must ensure, but it take also maximum 10 days time. This is the most important topic, integration part. And landscape, I told the development server to quality assurance server and again production server using with the TR transport required using with the TRs.
transport
So
request.
yes, and different types of projects I already told. So real-time issues. So here you can see real-time issues. So real-time issues means whatever errors it will be raised from the end users. So these are all comes of real-time situations. Enhancements. So enhancement means the client is asking the particular department situations what is going on. Like in the situations, in the situations, the particular consultant will have a knowledge to explain the each and every movement under the organization. So these are comes under the enhancements, validations and substitutions. So validations means so if you are paying the particular group of people, if you want to pay amount to the particular group of persons in these situations, we can create the we need to assign the we need to club the people in comes under the particular group people. So later I'll explain one by one validations and substitution. And month ending activities also already we have idea. Month ending means like we need to prepare the payables and receivables total ledgers. We need to prepare and asset reconciliation. Some of the companies they are some of the companies they will reconciliate their property, whatever assets and everything by yearly once. But in SAP system, before that we before previous before that we done some basic configuration. Then automatically every month wise the asset valuations also it will be calculated. So it means asset depreciation, asset under constructions. So different types of so asset under construction is the most important process, most important thing. So you just have a proper idea, integration part and the APP and asset master data and accounts payable and accounts receivable like taxes. So if these are say 7 to 8 topics you have good knowledge, then automatically you only crack the interview.
Yeah.
And banking process integration. Simply here nothing. If I teach one topic, so for example, today I teach one organization structure. So it's take 1 hour. So after that, you must and should spend at least minimum 3 to 4 hours per day for this organization structure process. Parallelly, you can create in your server minimum 3 to 4 companies. Then only you will get some proper idea. So then after that, without any document, the company creation process steps is in your mind. So this purpose, when I teach the class. After that, at least minimum 3 hours you must and should spend that topic. Later, each and every day topic only same way.
Yes.
If you postpone anything, then again you need to spend minimum 3 to 4 hours. So in coming section, wait, I already prepared each and every topic wise. If compared to other YouTubers, just they told sharing the information and they just give the record. Some of the people record also they should not give it. At the time of classes going on, also students will note the prepare the note. But here, each and every topic wise, I prepared note. After completion of after completion of class, immediately I share the complete process. So like step by step, how we can go to the server, how we can create the configuration, each and everything support document I will provide. And using the support documents once 2 or 3 times you can watch that video, then automatically you only done the configurations.
Okay.
Okay.
And here different types of testings, bundle preparation, ticketing tools I already told. Bundle preparation, so important tables in SAP, it means the reporting generation tables, IDOC interface. So background jobs, so background jobs also means so like client is so not only client, our TL is asking different types of department in like whatever the middle night or whatever the time. But in these situations, based on the background reports, we done some basic configurations. Then every day or monthly, whatever time consult our higher authority is asking, same time the report will be automatically coming to your mail or whatever. So based on mail, you can just forward it to the your TL, or else you can directly assign to the mail to TL. So automatically using the background jobs, the reports will move on. The reports will move to the consultant level or client level. So this is the background jobs. The output forms LSW, legacy system migration workbench. This is the tool for data transfer to one system to another system. Asset capitalization, asset under constructions, asset settlement, differences from ECC and S/4HANA. So mostly, so till many other people also trainers they can teach in ECC version because of in ECC. And one more drawback from S/4HANA, like not only it's not a drawback. So now we are taking demo servers. So the people they're providing demo servers, many of the people trying to learn each and everything. If the cloud, like a cloud or whatever, I don't know, the space is completed, then automatically the server maintenance people will remove the some of the companies. So that's what before I already faced the same
It's a good deal
situation.
actually, and if you compare outside, it's a good deal.
Mm-hmm. And
We
also new
consider.
version, that is a new version to
Yeah,
2023
we
version.
ask the new version. We ask him the new version as for HANA.
Yes, and also I might be analyze that new version because of in my project into 2021 version only.
Okay, okay, sir.
I need to more time for that new version because of most of the things it will be same, but screen layout will be changed in different areas.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
good evening. Can I end the section? Well,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yes,
sure,
yes,
sir.
yes. We'll connect
And
again.
just you
okay,
can, yeah, you can make a schedule on tomorrow and day for tomorrow. So
sure,
it's
sure.
possible. Let us know. If not, okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, thank you, Ji. Thank you for the
Yeah.
call.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Kumar, your name is Kumar, right? Another
Yes,
one.
yes, Mohan. My name is Kumar.
We both are from Guntur, right?
Yeah, almost like nearby that places. I'm from Khammam actually. Khammam
Yes,
from
yes.
Telangana.
Okay, bye.